Okay.
Okay.
All right. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute.
Yeah, it has been.
We've had a lot going on. I think or should we start over? I didn't introduce myself.
No,
Okay.
it's all good.
Oh,
You're Craig
shit.
Metcalf.
I'm Craig.
I'm Tom. Yep.
All right.
Kuat.
Yeah, that's how long it's been. I kind of forget what I'm doing here.
Takes a minute to get the machine rolling again. But yeah, we have been busy. So the fall is a busy time for Kuat. We're coming out of summer. We do a lot of our business in like hitch-mounted bicycle racks. If you're not familiar with that, you should definitely check them out. But rolling into the fall, we've been going to a big trade show in the fall, the SEMA Automotive Show, which Craig, I'll let you explain a little bit. It's quite a production, and we're pretty happy to be a part of it, at least the last couple of years.
Sure. So we just wrapped up our second SEMA show. It, in some ways, is a year-long project that ramps up with different, levels of, emphasis put on. Certainly it kind of crescendos to get, more of our time as it gets closer to fall. So once that's finished, we, from a brand standpoint, we put a lot into it. So we're definitely happy to kind of take a breather and now capture as much opportunity as we did from that show. So on that, let's talk about what we displayed in the booth at SEMA.
Yeah, so a big reason for us going to that show is to show new product. We have new products that we're launching, kind of bringing out. So this gives us an opportunity to show these to different, industry leaders in that category, to different consumers. It's a really cool platform to take what is new and hot and cool and show it off. And so we took a new product that we have called the deck, which is going to be super cool. It has 7 different configurations, actually. It's a rooftop platform. It's all metal. Great powder coat on it, and we have 2 different versions within those 7 different SKUs. One that has this really cool integrated, lit up nose that you can wire for lights, and then one without. So it's just super streamlined.
And this is in partnership with another Missouri company.
It is. So Diode Dynamics. We partner with them. Like Craig said, they're a fellow Missouri company. They are an industry leader in off-road lighting. So we are super stoked to work with them on this. They definitely, help to elevate our product in the lighting game. So if you haven't had a chance to check that out, go to kuat.com. Check out the new deck. Look at the version with the lights and without. It's a really neat product. We've got some cool hype videos out there too. So a lot of content from SEMA as well that you can look at.
So we showed the deck on one of our trucks. Also on that truck, it included our panel kit, which we're excited to bring to market. So this is an accessory that pairs with your existing IBEX frame. It consists of a roof and then all 4 doors or all 4 panels that click around to enclose that system. So we're excited to bring that. So we had that on one of our trucks. The other truck, we had a Gladiator specific IBEX, which we want to kind of call out because it is different than the other IBEX that we have.
It is a little bit different, yeah. I mean, the Gladiator is a different type of truck. So the IBEX is a little bit different. Has we designed it to fit the body lines of that vehicle, which are a little more vertical, than like a Tacoma or a Ram. So it definitely fits that body style, and it's specific to that vehicle. So man, it looks
really cool.
It looks really good.
Anytime you can create an accessory specific to Jeep owners.
Yeah.
It's pretty neat.
Yeah, it was very cool.
And then on the last truck, we had one of our industry partners, Keith Charvonia. His 2024 Tacoma build was amazing. Get a chance to check it out. And he was running our IBEX A1 SKU in Mid-Height.
Correct.
Which is kind of a neat feature of that IBEX system.
Very neat. So we showed 3 different versions of essentially the same IBEX platform. You can show it or use it in this fully enclosed camper shell type setup when you use the panel kit. You can use it as an open setup with Molly panels like we had on the Jeep. or on the Tacoma, that lower mid-height setup, if you want to run like a rooftop tent or like some cargo boxes or anything up there, keep them out of the wind. So it's a really cool ecosystem that you can adapt really to any use, any way you want to do it.
And that was our booth as far as what we had in there. Of course, we had some amazing partners that helped us with builds in and around the West and Central Hall.
That's something I've noticed with that whole industry is that everybody leans on everyone else. The partnerships are really important, and everyone's there to elevate everyone else. It's a pretty cool feeling, definitely. But yeah, it was neat. We had a lot of great partners that helped us.
All right, that was SEMA. I guess let's kind of give some direction on where we're going the rest of this month, and then maybe into the next few months into 2025.
Yeah, so we'll finish out the year looking forward to 2025. That deck rooftop platform will be available, what was it, sometime maybe at the beginning of Q2?
I think, yeah, late Q1, Q2. Of course, it's kind of a evolving target as we're continuing to bring this to market, and we'll do our due diligence on providing as much information as we can.
Yep, our panel kit for the IBEX should be available right after the first of the year.
Panel kit for the IBEX A1 to start is going to be available.
What does the A1 fit, just so everybody knows?
The A1 fits your third and fourth generation, the IBEX A1 fits the mid-size truck short bed, but within there's a few different manufacturers that it fits. Of course, for the best information, I always recommend to go over to Kuat.com to the configurator and it's easy. You just put in your make model and just let the program, kind of select the best, or at least the recommended IBEX for your truck. But yes, that is the IBEX A1. And then the panel kit that we're excited to pair with the IBEX A1 fits that third and fourth generation Tacoma short bed.
Yep.
So
definitely. But yeah, check them all out. You can get some information on the website. They'll be available this next year. And yeah, cool accessories for your truck.
Other things to note too, as far as content that you all want to see and we want to create, continue to ask questions. It only helps us get better at providing what our end user wants to see. So if there's certain truck builds that maybe you just want to envision, from a different perspective, more compatibility. One thing to note on the IBEX and the deck is we're providing a lot of T-channels. So I think continuing to kind of configure this system to not just overlanding, but all different industries is something that we're going to want to showcase more. So just continue to engage with us. That helps us get better.
Very cool.
And never forget to smash that like button and subscribe. All right, we'll see you until next time.